Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the GR Discharge tape and we're going to install it today in the 2025 GR Premium Plus Corolla. Previously for the GR24 they also have the charge tape, but that was placed on the inside. So for some reason now they want this placed on the outside. I'm gonna go ahead, open, take a look at the instructions, and we go from there. Have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 for the front bumper and 2 for the rear bumper. And have the nice instructions in Japanese. Well, for the instructions I have to use a Apple Translate because they come of course in Japanese completely. Today this is going to be our armamentarium. It's going to be the surface prep, heat gun, roller, and of course the stickers. Oh, and some masking tape. There you go. Okay, this one's going to be a little bit tougher because I'm pretty much going by the internet pictures. There's no more pictures about it. So I can see this corner and you can see the fender right here, this line, and it will go, of course this is the other side, so I just mirror the image. Okay, so with this installation of this discharge tape, I have some issues. The first issue is the instructions that come with it. They're all in Japanese. That's not a big deal because you can use any of the apps available and translate. But you can see this come from TRD, and they have instructions step by step for the Toyota Vitz, the Prius, the Aqua, Harrier, Noah, Mark X, and the Prius Alpha, and they say exactly where to place them with the measurements and everything on it, millimeter by millimeter. So there's nothing for the GR Corolla. So the question is why I place them in those areas. I just have one internet picture of the GR Corolla with this discharge tapes, the new one, the 2025, and based on that picture, that's how I kind of like figure out, okay, and do some measurements based on that. That's it. But there's no instructions at this moment on that one. The difference between this one and the 24, when I have my 23 circuit, I upgrade and I put the 24 parts and also electromagnetic tapes, the discharge tapes, but they come inside, and actually there's a line that I tell you exactly where to place the sticker on the inside of the bumpers, on the front and the rear bumper, not here. This one goes outside. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it's going to be helpful. If you have any comments, or you know about the instructions and everything on it, or let me know, and we can get more help if anybody wants to do this. I think, like I said, I did it just based on the pictures that I saw on the website, which is pretty much like 1 or 2 pictures. That's all it is right now. But hopefully, as people start like placing the stickers, we're gonna get more information. So far, this is pretty much just in Japan. I didn't see none of them in the US, but that will change later on. I hope you guys like this video, and you're gonna help me so much. Just throwing a like and subscribe, follow me for more updates, and I'm gonna try to continue putting at least 1 video a week. I have some issues with my laptop, so I was kind of lazy on that aspect, but I'm back here. Thank you guys again, and have a good day.